Hey, thanks for joining us for another episode with the Jeep Guy. Today I've got my daughter Mia with us.
Hi.
And we're out at the 5 Mile Pass recreation area. And today's a special day because Mia is graduating up to a real Jeep. She's been driving her baby Jeep for quite a few years, but today she's taking over this Jeep. And we're going to be starting a new series called Mondays with Mia, where we follow her progress and the changes that she's going to make to this Jeep and the maintenance and work that she's going to do to keep it going. So Mia's going to take it from here and kind of show you around the Jeep and tell you what she's going to do.
Okay, so we're gonna paint it and sand it. The base will be purple and the tires here will be blue. We're gonna keep the original paint on the Willys. Back here we have the clutch, the brake, and the gas. And this is the shifter and the four-wheel drive
Shifter.
shifter. We're getting.
Where you put the gas?
We put the gas in. We put the gas in here to get it going. And
I'm going to show them the tailgate in the back.
oh, we have to tailgate.
So take out the chain,
Okay.
like that. Okay, pop down the tailgate, put the chain like that. There you go. So you can put all your drinks and snacks back there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now tell them about the Jeep. What year is it?
It's a 1948 CJ2A. Okay, and
What makes it special?
it's one of the first models of Jeeps.
It's the first civilian model, isn't it?
Yep.
Yep, the first civilian model of Jeep is a CJ2A.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what engine does it have?
It has a Go Devil L134 engine.
So you've been driving this a whole bunch today. How do you feel about it?
It's pretty amazing and cool. Cool.
Good. And what other changes do you think we should make for safety-wise?
We're gonna put in a seatbelt and maybe a roll bar.
Mm-hmm. Yep, those are good things to help keep you safe, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Okay. Well, from here every week we're going to post videos on Monday of Mia's progress on what she's done with getting the oil leaks fixed and maintenance and things like that, and sanding it down and painting it. She's going to be doing most of the work by herself. I'm going to be helping her, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And then we'll be posting ride videos. We'll be taking it out and going and teaching her all the ins and outs of Jeeping, right?
Mm-hmm.
So be sure to like and subscribe at The Real Jeep Guy on YouTube.
And The Real Jeep Girl, my channel.
Yep, we'll be posting the videos on both channels. But thanks for watching, and we look forward to showing you some good videos.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go put some miles on this baby. All right. Oh, that's our windshield. Okay, remember pushing your clutch. Okay, brake. Want me to fire it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. There we go. Okay, make sure it's in reverse.
Okay.
Okay, let off the brake. A little bit of gas and let out the clutch. There you go. Nice and slow. There you go.
All good?
Yep, all good. Okay. Turn back up. Okay, clutch and brake.
Right.
Okay, now pull it into first. There you go. Let off the brake. Let out the clutch. There you go. Good job, sweetie. Remember, you can give it a little gas too if you need. Listen to it and it will tell you what it means. Don't kill me. Okay, all you gotta do is turn this way. Turn towards me. Turn. There you go. Well, just get comfortable. Watch where you're going. How you feeling? You get it neutral? Nope, keep the brake on. Keep the brake on. Let out the clutch slowly.
Yeah, that's perfect.
There you go. That's it. You're good. You did it.
Yeah.
And now you can turn it off on purpose.
Can I let go of the brake now?
Nope, you need to put it in gear now so it doesn't go. I know,
Oh.
it's mind-boggling. Okay, pull it in gear like that. Now let off the brake.
Yeah.
There you go. I think you're ready for the freeway.
No.